Hello everyone, welcome back to 3D CAD tutorials. Today we will learn about creating the blocks in the SolidWorks. We all know we will create the blocks in AutoCAD and we will utilize that one in a different locations for array purpose or for rotating, and you can utilize the same blocks in different drawings to just verify that one. So, or you can utilize that as a constructions or for, to make sure the geometric shapes of the sketch is not changed. Suppose here I am just demonstrating for the how we can create the block. So you can select any sketch, because sketch will be in a 2D sketch will be in two dimension. I am selecting the top plane and I am just drawing one of the just some complex shape to show this. So because to repeat, or if you want to utilize the same again and again, so it may take lot of time. So, and also sometimes what will happen, the dimensions are so critical and you can't if it distorts. Suppose if you, when you are moving some points are distort from the required profile, then it will be difficult. So it is just locking that one. So just select this one and this is a make new block. If you don't see this one block features or option is not available, you just type it over here, it will be visible and it will be appear over here, not an issue. So after selecting this one, you just after you can select, you can do in both the cases. You can select that one and you can select the sketch, or you can select the sketch and you can select a make a block and say it okay. So now you can see this one, it can be you can move anywhere and you can rotate. So you can rotate this one to 90 degree, so that profiles remains same. So this is the first case, and in the second case what I will say, suppose where it is useful, you can ask these questions, because sometimes what will happen, you can do the rectangular array or the pattern based on the sketch based array or circular pattern. So these are some of them are available, but when you want to change, suppose you want to keep this one here, and in the second location just click Control and you can drag it over here. Otherwise you can just Control C, Control V. You can make this as one of the fixed point, and you want to rotate this one to another 20 degrees. So say suppose I will just make sure there is a point. So I will just make sure this one to fix, and I will just make this one to coincide with this one, and I will say rotate to 20 degree if you want to rotate. So in all cases, suppose if you want to rotate in a 20 places, so it is not highly impossible to maintain the same dimensions. So it will be very helpful when you are creating the complex shapes of the geometry. So, and also coming next, suppose you are having a regular also regular one to show the demonstrate the complexity, I have taken this one. So if you are having a suppose simpler one, so suppose I am making this one as one of the block and I am coming out here. So what I will do, I can just go to just activate this sketch, and you can just copy this one. You just copy this one and you can utilize this one. I am coming to the next level and I am just paste it over here. You can utilize this one. You can utilize this one anywhere. suppose in this case I want you utilize the previous one, select this one and say convert entity. You can get that one. Where you want only this diagonal one, in some cases you select this and you select the outer space, convert entity, and you want to make a extrude, you can utilize this one. So in this way you can utilize the blocks. So and also if you want to if you don't want to utilize in a same sketch, but you want to utilize in a different parts generation or model making, you can just do that one also. Save this block somewhere over here. I will create this one as a block 1 V100. So I will say save this one as this one. So what I will do, I will come over here and I will import this one, and I can make a utilize of the previously what you have done. I can use the same sketch or the same profile. So this is how we can minimize the time. Suppose n number of 50 places, 60 places, you are having a complex sketches, you can utilize this one. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.